folks, here's this video to explain to you how I've done the sprinkler watering system. It's already working right now, it's in action. Firstly, let's talk about the infrastructure, which is what you need. You need soaker pipes, which are this black soaker pipe. You get that in Walmart and Home Depot. It's called as soaker pipe. You get it in 25 feet and 50 feet lengths. It's a coil like this one. Get it, and then you can cut it using scissors. Cut it to your length of usually what I do, and it's actually a good practice. As you can see, I plant all the veggies in a row, straight line. This is about 20 feet long. I cut the pipe exactly 20 feet long, and then these are called as couplers. The one here, these are couplers. You can just push fit them onto the pipe. Okay, here it is. It's called as Easy Connect coupler. You can read this. I got that at Home Depot. You don't get it at Walmart. Buy these, and then you can just push fit them into the pipe. It's just finger press. That's it. Takes a little effort with both hands. You can press fit it. So this is on the joint on the side which connects into the regular garden hose. Right, this one. It fits in right there. For the other end, which is the end, you get like this side, you get the other coupler. The one that I showed you earlier was called as a female coupler, and this is a male coupler, and that closes the other end. If you don't buy that, you can still manage just by bending the pipe. I'll show you how I've done that. Like here, I've just bent it, but as you see, it is leaking. So the better option is to get the coupler. Now, while getting the pipe, cutting it to length, fitting the couplers, all that is easy, and even connecting to the hose is easy. The most annoying part about this system is it leaks a lot right at this juncture here. It leaks there. Now it's not leaking. As you see, it's not leaking. It is like appropriately dripping from the length of the pipe. That's what you want. How to achieve that? To achieve that, you need something called as a pressure regulator. It sounds complicated, and it will be if you buy the actual pressure regulator, but there is a simple solution for that. This is just a simple Y joint with a valve, right? You get this everywhere in Home Depot and Walmarts. Get that, and don't open the valve completely, right? Open it to a less degree, and that is how you can regulate the pressure in a simple and easy way. Look how many I have done. One hose. This is just feeding. It is feeding how many lines? 1, 2, 3, and all of them have these pressure regulators. So I have connected one hose to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows, and then done all these pressure regulations. So it's not difficult, but you have to just adjust it to get to the right settings. And see, there is no leak happening in this area, which is what annoys people in using the soakers, and you can solve for it. Now, once you're done the pipe, laying the pipes, connecting them, getting the regulators, pressure regulators adjusted, the last thing that is required is getting the water supply to it. And for that, I am going to use a water timer. In my previous video, I have shown that. Let me again explain that to you. Alright, here's the water timer. It's a 4-zone timer. There are 4 zones in it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it runs based on the settings that you put. I have put down settings. There is a setting called auto, which means at the appropriate time it switches on. And then there is a setting called manual, which is here, which is when you want it to switch on, you just come and hit the manual button. It will switch on, and it starts watering the zones. So all 4 zones, and this is a special timer that I found. It has a unique feature of watering all the 4 zones in a sequential manner. So when I say manual, it starts with zone 1, goes to 2, 3, 4, and I have across my system I have 18 watering rows, so it's able to solve for all the 18. So get that water timer at Walmart. It's called as Orbit timer, and that should be able to solve your automation problems. Okay, if you have any questions, post it. I'll reply to that. Thank you.